Hi, my name is Uisdean Murray. I'm a filmmaker based in Glasgow. Got a few top tips here for you. My first top tip is always work on the script. Scripts can never have enough work done to them. Make sure you get good feedback. Make sure everyone can understand it. And if you're writing dialogue for kids, make sure that they understand it. Don't go into production. I've seen too many people go into production, rush into production. With a half-baked script. You've got to really work at it before you even think about filming. Having a good sound recordist is vitally important. You can get away with having bad visuals with good sound, but if you've got good visuals and the sound's terrible, it's unwatchable. So make sure you've got a good sound recordist. Very important. If you're working on a low-budget film, and quite often you can't pay the crew, but one thing you must make sure is that you at least feed them, because a hungry crew is a very unhappy one, and try and cover their expenses. It's the least you could do, and also make sure you can get a copy of the film to them. Make sure you have a good editor, because also I've seen so many films that have been destroyed in the editing room. I think everybody thinks they can edit, cut one or two images together, but it's so much more than that. You need a good editor that understands what you're going for. Music is very important for your film. Too often it's just something that's tacked on in the end, but it's just as important as script writing, as the cinematography, the directing and the acting. So make sure you've spent a lot of time thinking about the music, and there's a lot of great musicians out there, so track them down and speak to them, because everybody's looking for experience and a new exciting project to work on. Once you finish your film, you need to get it out there and find its audience. So you need to send it to festivals, but make sure you do research and find out what festivals suit your film. Email the festivals, find out if they like the kind of genre that you've done, and just do a lot of research. It's important to have a good stills photographer on set to take publicity shots. It's so important to promote your film once it's all done and dusted. Quite often I've seen productions that are finished but they've got no material to help promote the final film, so make sure you have a good stills photographer. So good luck with your filmmaking, and remember, it's a lot of fun. Just remember to respect everyone and take care of everyone, and good luck.